Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have another squishy to charm video, and in today's video I decided to make this Yummiibear, and I've got the lemon mermaid one, and I decided to make that into a little charm. I'm really happy with how this has turned out. I just think it looks so similar to the original, and as it's nice and small I feel like it just works just so well, and yeah, I'm really happy with it. So I've just given this one a quick squish and now we'll get into the tutorial. So to start off with, I took some Fimo in the colour Vanilla and I just rolled this into a ball and elongated it a little bit. And then to make the ears, I made two small balls and just attached these to either side of the oval shaped ball I had to begin with. Taking a long snake, I just rolled this round onto the top of the head in between the two ears to make the swirly kind of lemon bit that was on the Yummiibear. What I then did was took another piece of polymer clay and rolled it into another oval, and instead with this time I just pinched it on the end and folded it round to make the Yummiibear's body. What I then did was kind of made two little arms, and to do this again I just took two small balls of polymer clay, rolled them on my hand, elongated them a little bit and just popped them where the arms were on the squishy. Next, to make the tail, I just got a kind of small snake and folded it in half, and taking my nail I just pressed it in to make almost a heart-like shape, and I just placed this onto the bottom of the tail, and then I popped in an eye pin and baked according to the instructions on the packet. Once fully baked and cooled, I then went in with some acrylic paint and just painted on the design that was on the squishy. So I added a medium, very orange coloured brown and did the first layer of that. And then taking a light beigey brown, I just painted the whole of the rest of the tail in this colour, including the bottom bit. This was to kind of recreate that waffle colour that was on the original squishy. Now I do apologise for the lighting here, I was tackling the sun, but I couldn't do anything about it, so I figured you could kind of see it anyway, so I would just carry on. I then painted the swirly bit at the top in a nice bright yellow colour, and then taking the same orangey colour that I kind of painted the ears and the belly with, I just did a dripping like effect all the way around the orangey yellowy tinted top. What I then did was took some white puffy paint and I added this to make the snout of the little bear, and then taking an even darker brown than before, I just added two dots for the eyes. With the same orangey colour that I used for the drips on the head, I did some blush either side of those eyes, and I then went ahead and added another layer of the white puffy paint. Once the puffy paint had dried, I then took a pin with the same dark brown that I used on the eyes and just painted on the little mouth on the snout. With the same brown colour, I also used the same pin and just did some like grids on the belly and the ears to add to the waffle like texture that was seen on the squishy. If by the way you have seen yellow like all over my nails and hands, I do apologise, it's actually puffy paint as I was making a squishy for tomorrow and I just got covered in yellow in between filming these bits. I'm waiting for paint to dry. So I then took the same orange and yellow used on the charm and just ombreed this on the very bottom. Once all the paint was fully dried, I then went ahead and glazed it with a UV resin, and I just smoothed this all over and cured it with my UV torch light. I made sure to cover the whole entirety of the charm, including the front and back, and I did actually do about 2 layers of this UV coat in total, as I like a really glossy finish on my charms. So once I was fully happy with the glaze, as you can see here, my charm was then complete. So I'm really happy with how this turned out. I think it looks so similar to the original and it just looks like it has a little baby and it's just so cute. I hope the lighting wasn't too annoying, but if you did like this video then please do give it a thumbs up, and I will see you tomorrow for another DIY squishy. Bye!